So, some quick basics to finding and getting on ChatGPT is first, you can just do a Google search, and what you'll find is that it will show OpenAI first, and then maybe a little bit down it will show ChatGPT. Select chatgpt.com or just go directly to ChatGPT. Either way, it'll take you where you need to go. So once you get the chat GPT, you should see something like this. I want you to go ahead and look in the top right hand corner. You'll see two buttons, one that says log in, the other one that says sign up. This is so that you can create or access your account that's in chat GPT. You can totally use chat GPT without doing either, but they have more features if you log in or sign up to have an account. So another feature that you'll find in ChatGPT is the sidebar. And so it displays the new chat. So that's where you can start another chat conversation with ChatGPT. It has the sidebar icon that will let you close slash hide or open and display the sidebar so you can have more space in the chat window, or you can open it again to access the features. You can explore the GPTs that it has. These are the programs that will provide you with specific text, pictures, audios, code that you might be looking for. And then it'll also give you the chat history, which are your previous chats that you've done in ChatGPT. The Explore GPTs button will provide you with the ability to look for all the variety of tools and apps that use GPT technology for a specific task. Like, for example, Canva is in there where you can use it in ChatGPT to have it create you pictures without having to do it in Canva. It'll take you straight to Canva. They have a Scholar GPT. They have GPTs to make you specific types of pictures or code or Python. So it's just a really great place to get a GPT that's going to be specific to your needs. So, what you have in front of you is the message bar, and the message bar is really important. This is where you put your prompts, your questions, your messages to communicate with the AI and receive your responses. A prompt is the question or instructions that you type in that you're going to give to the GPT. Beside the message bar, you'll see that little paperclip. That's the attachment icon. You can upload pictures, documents to provide some context or anything you need them to review or discuss. And then if you type something in there and you need to bring that information down a line, you need to push shift enter, because if you just push enter, it will send the message. So you have to push shift plus enter and it will move it down. And so those are things you definitely need to remember. And so once you have pressed enter or click the send button, you will get a response from the GPT. And this is the answer or message that ChatGPT gives you from that prompt question or whatever you typed in. Once you get the response, they have a few buttons at the bottom that I think you should know about. One is the read aloud button. This will let you hear the response, and it's very human sounding. Sometimes I just go in there and say, read this, cut and paste something in there, and then press the button when it gives me the response. That's a quick thing to do. Copy button, it will copy the response so that you can put it in another document like you normally would. The regenerate button will allow you to get a new and different response. And then lastly, the bad response button tells the GPT that the response was not helpful, accurate, or appropriate, and it helps it improves in the long run. So this is a favorite feature of mine. This is the share chat button, and it allows you to share your chat GPT conversation with other people by creating a link, and then that link will take them to the actual conversation that you had before you created that link. And so for teachers who are thinking about implementing chat GPT in their classroom, this could be a vital way to see what feedback, what conversations your students had with this wonderful tool. And so think about that as you're thinking about implementing using chat gpt, you could always have them share the chat conversation with you. So I hope this was helpful for you. I want you to think about the skills that I went over and the features that I went over from chat gpt. These are transferable, meaning these are some of the things you already do, or you've already seen these type of icons and features in other technologies. So all you're doing is transferring over the skills that you have to copy and paste, to upload documents. You're just transferring them over to chat gpt. So I'm hoping that will lower some anxiety and make you more comfortable using this powerful tool. So remember to like, share, and subscribe to the channel.